Menteri Ketenaga Social Welfare ubah polling do ula pentep ba ka sorkar kala arjing Mynjur ya ka draft policy jong ka dream project ne ka drug reduction elimination and action mission ka badai ka project batla thungru ya ka advisory board banyak khun persya ya ka thma drok ka bakan rei bha ha ka ne ka Jylla da ka jing Mynjur ka sorkar ya ka ne ka project uba polling do ula ong ba kamat ka bahak mat e ka long ban sedang no ha ka ban penle jingmut ya ka dream project ka bala pet bada pajba na du usnam bala dep bat lamang san klur tingka ban pen sapriang ya ki khubor bat kilad jing tip ban pelong ya ki jing pen syai pajba ha ki campaign ba pher
Today's meeting I had reiterated the need for us to have rules framed by the state government because certain sections of the Act, for instance, Section 64A, give space to whoever is using drugs to escape the net of the law. And so at today's meeting, which was attended by senior officials of the police, the social welfare department, the health department, MEMHANS and other the SP, DSP, CID, its interdepartmental representation. So the major point of focus now is on the DREAM project, which was conceived and announced last year. But today we're happy to announce here that the draft policy has been approved and notified, and under this DREAM, which is an acronym for Drug Reduction, Elimination and Action Mission, which calls for a drug-free Meghalaya. Drug Reduction, Elimination and Action Mission, working towards a drug-free Meghalaya. Under this mission, a mission director and his team will assist the government in coordinating the efforts of various departments which are interlinked to this issue, and also total sanction of 5 crores has been set aside for undertaking publicity campaigns and increasing awareness programs. These all will come under this mission. Our flaws in policing, and we will certainly try to plug the loopholes wherever we find them occurring. But the fact that such a large consignment was also seized proves that we are not sleeping. I mean, it's a huge consignment that could have gone to any part of Meghalaya or without or gone through, because Shillong is also a point from which which connects us to the rest of the northeast India, and we're also close to the Golden Triangle. So it's not just a local issue here. It's a multi-dimensional issue, very complex, and we need to tone up policing. First, as I said, we will now draft rules under the Central Act to make those rules more stringent. For instance, it was pointed out that anybody having or possessing less than 5 kgs of particular drug can always obtain bail by taking shelter of this section 64A of the NDPS. So now we will accordingly have a fresh look by strengthening the rules so that we tighten those rules, have state rules which will be based on the Central Act, but which will be more stringent when it comes to applicability.
Uba Paul Ulaong Ru ba u retired High Court Judge S. Pande, uba long u Chairman ka State Consumers Council, ula Mynjur ban long Chairman jong ka Advisory Board ban pentrekam ya ka an, ban telakam ya ka jingkhayi be an ye ki kinja jingdi penbuat, kabala tipkum ka Prevention of Illicit Traffic in Narcotic Drugs and Psychotropic Substances Act 1988.
To be the chairman of the board, the review board, which will sit and adjudge cases under PET NDPS. Okay, this has not been applied so far because we have yet to constitute a board which hears cases. This is more like MPDA or NSA, the Prevention of Illicit Traffic in Narcotic Drugs and Psychotropic Substances. So this is more stringent because such repeated offenders can easily be detained under this for 3 months without bail, which is extendable to 1 year. But you have to have an advisory board. And today itself, we got confirmation from this particular retired High Court judge that he has agreed to join as chairman of the advisory board. So those repeated offenders, if they think that they have not been treated fairly, they can appeal before the advisory board.